So guys, a quick update about the price of Bitcoin right here from another island in Indonesia. This island is called Nusa Lembongan. It's an island quite close to Bali, and I thought I'm going to show you guys a little bit of the environment here, and we are going to have a talk about what is happening with the Bitcoin price. So guys, all about that in today's video. With that being said, my name is Jeroen. Welcome to the Blockchain Today, the channel where you subscribe for daily crypto videos. Right now, let's talk about the Bitcoin price action. But before we are talking about Bitcoin's price, guys, let's take with every single one of us 1 single minute. Scroll below this video and hit the thumbs up button, guys. That is very much appreciated. And guys, I wanted to let you enjoy the view as well right here. So that's the reason why I'm making my video today right here outside. We have an amazing view. There is a nice, we can see the ocean right here. We can see another island over there. And I'm collecting some video footage right here from the trips that I'm doing right now because my family is over, and I'm preparing one kind of vlog video for you guys so you can see a little bit what I'm doing in my life, what I'm doing with my family, so you can enjoy those footage as well. So that one is coming quite soon, guys. But right now, let's talk about the Bitcoin price. So Bitcoin right now is still consolidating in this triangle formation, and we are expecting a breakout actually quite soon. In the coming days, Bitcoin can see a breakout either to the upside or to the downside. And right now is the question, of course, what is Bitcoin going to do? Are we going to break out to the upside, or are we going to break out to the downside? Well, normally, guys, when we've entered that formation from a downtrend, it is more likely for Bitcoin to continue that trend from where we've entered that formation in. And we've entered this formation from a downtrend, which makes the odds more likely for Bitcoin to break out to the downside. However, right now at this specific moment, we are actually seeing different signs in the Bitcoin price, which is showing us that we might see a nice breakout to the upside. And first of all, guys, the first sign that I want to bring up is the sentiment. The sentiment right now is extremely bearish. A lot of people are negative about the crypto markets. A lot of people are pessimistic. Often it can actually be a bullish sign, because that means when the majority of the people in the markets right now are bearish on a certain price, then it can be a contrarian indicator showing us that we might see the price actually going up, doing the opposite of what the majority actually is expecting. And guys, it's not only the sentiment of Bitcoin which is telling us, or the sentiment in the crypto markets that is telling us right now that it is quite negative, pessimistic, that the majority is bearish. No, we can see it as well, guys, and this is a very important indicator in the amount of long to short ratios, or the amount of short to long ratios. Right now we have a extreme reading in the funding rate. The funding rate is in a extreme negative territory, and normally, guys, that is actually a bullish sign, showing us that that can cause buying pressure on the price of Bitcoin. And guys, right now we have a daily funding rate of minus 0.2%, which is quite an extreme reading. And right now is showing that the majority of the traders and investors in the markets are right now short on Bitcoin. And we haven't even seen Bitcoin breaking out of the formation yet. So that is a signal which makes me actually doubt if Bitcoin is going to break out to the downside, because we are seeing some signals, right, that we might see the opposite happening, Bitcoin breaking out to the upside. So for everybody who is bearish right now on the price of Bitcoin, I would definitely be careful, because there is quite a likelihood that we are going to see Bitcoin breaking out to the upside. And like I've been talking in my previous videos as well, right, we could be seeing right now Bitcoin finishing a ABC correction as well, which means that we have potentially seen a bottom in the Bitcoin price. A lot of other indicators like the RSI are as well showing us that Bitcoin might be in for a bounce right here. It makes sense as well after such a huge correction. So therefore, in this specific pattern that we are seeing in Bitcoin, my bias is going to be slightly bullish. I think the chances that Bitcoin is going to break out to the upside is going to be slightly higher than Bitcoin breaking out to the downside, even though most of the time triangle formations, they function as a continuation pattern, which normally makes that a triangle formation has a higher likelihood to break out in the same direction from where we've entered this triangle formation, which is in this scenario to the downside. Right now, the resistance in the price of Bitcoin, the resistance of the triangle formation is aligning at approximately $39,000, and the previous high on the 4-hour time frame is at 39,500. If we were to break guys, this level decisively. And if we are seeing that breakout, we want to see a nice breakout, a reaction in the price, and we want to see a convincing amount of volume following after we have seen that breakout to determine the confidence of the price with this breakout. Then the next major level we are going to test, guys, is going to be $42,000. And if Bitcoin can really flip $42,000 into support, so we break above $42,000, backtest this level as support, then that would be a very, very bullish sign for Bitcoin's price right here in the immediate short-term time frame. However, if Bitcoin were to break out to the downside, that would definitely be a more bearish scenario, and we could be expecting Bitcoin testing the low which we have been drawing from that descending channel which we might be seeing in the price of Bitcoin right now as well. So that is the first level which I would be watching if Bitcoin were to break out to the downside. And that level to the downside would be at approximately $32,000. So if Bitcoin were to break the uptrending support of the triangle formation, of course we want to see there as well a reaction in the price, convincing amounts of volume, and then the next major level to the downside, which I think Bitcoin can test if we were to see that, guys, is the level of $32,000. That's going to be the next important level. Like I said, guys, my bias right now will be slightly bullish. I am going to be prepared for both scenarios, either when Bitcoin is breaking out to the upside or whenever Bitcoin is breaking out to the downside. Guys, do take in mind that we are seeing Bitcoin breaking out quite often on Sundays, which might make it possible that we are going to see that breakout tomorrow. So guys, that was my analysis for today. Bitcoin is still consolidating. Price is still looking quite healthy, I would say. My bias is going to be slightly contrarian, is going to be slightly bullish. I think that is right now the bigger chance to break out. But either way, I'm going to be prepared for either a breakout to the upside or a breakout to the downside. Guys, if you like today's video, make sure to scroll below this video and hit the thumbs up button. If you like to see more of these type of videos, drop a comment in the comment section down below. Let me show you quickly around right here before I'm going to end this video, so you can have some nice views. Then guys, I'm going to see every single one of you in the next video. Bye bye.